Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
Let's go YouTube. So we on the way to go sell the big body truck, the big body Infiniti truck. Y'all haven't seen this on the channel, but this is just one of the Infinitis that we got in the family. It'll be a new car in the family, but I ain't even gonna tell y'all what kind of car it is. Just know it's something foreign. Something real deal foreign. But I would definitely miss this car. This is the car I drove to high school. I was dragging with this car. Y'all see, it had the little 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. It had so many options. I used to drag. Before I put these little 5%, I had double 5%. I had the windshield hit. I had Infiniti across the top. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some clips for y'all so y'all can see. But this was my baby for real. Her name's Janelli. Fuck that shit up. 5.6 liter, 320 horsepower. I think it's like 393 torque. I was flipping a lot of people from like 0 to 50, 0 to 60. Sound real nice. I got her detailed like a week ago. This is an AMG. Not the real AMG, of course. It's the C43 AMG. We just walking around CarMax. C43. They got the SQ5 right here. It's like 2018, 2019? Yeah, 2018. But yeah, that's class. It's probably like a 2017. Okay, 2016. With the little toy steering wheel. Too bad it's locked. 90 bands, 2024. Crazy. What's on these wheels? Like 315s? What they is? 295. Okay, pretty thick. That's plaid. It's crazy. I ain't never seen one up close like this, up close and personal. It's hard though. The 4.4 liter V8 pushing out 445 horsepower. That's some for my Dukes for real. But yeah, I'll be driving this like it's mine. He about to go take that on a test drive right now. So yeah. Say what's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
I mean, I see it. Look nice, look nice. Brown interior. Real nice, real spiffed up. I'm about to be seeing me in this a whole lot. Whole lot. I mean, I see it. Twin turbo. I mean, big body V8. If we get this, more videos on this. More videos. Taking it on the test drive, y'all. Drives pretty smooth. I've been in comfort mode this whole time. I'm probably gonna change to sport mode. Mom's in the car, so I ain't trying to do too much. It has been finalized. We got the brand new BMW X5 50i X-Drive, all-wheel drive, V8 twin turbo. I used to drive her to school, used to drive her to high school. This was my baby. She didn't really look like this before. I'm gonna add in clips of how she looked before.
You some shit! We got our own shots on him. Fuck your VIP, we got our own bottles on him.
I does this shit. Any whip, I does this shit in, man.
But we're gonna truly miss you. For real. Gonna miss you a lot, man. GG's. That's still looking clean. Car is 13 years old. That's right here though. Oh yeah, that's crazy. I low-key wish it was an M Sport. I wanted the M Sport steering wheel because they just look so good, but this will do. It's a V8, so